Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this into a wreath. A similar technique as what I used before is I've wrapped ribbon round a wire and then I've attached this pine cone with ribbon at the bottom. And to attach the dried greenery and flowers and berries, I would again do the same as what I did before, is I just attach this ribbon with sellotape. Okay, so once I've done that, I would just start adding the flowers and any dried leaves. I've got some beautiful red leaves here. I'm going to just wrap it round. I'd also add some of these. And some dried eucalyptus. Now some leaves might fall off, but just keep going and you can add in more. It is quite difficult to keep everything together because it has to be tight, and of course without using tape or glue, we're just using ribbon here, so it has to be again very tightly wound. Hello everyone, this is my Christmas wreath or Christmas hoop. I really enjoyed making this one and I hope you enjoy making yours too. If you'd like to see any more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.